We're not on it. And St. Patrick's Day is still, what, 2 months away? But we're getting into the spirit this morning with some music from the East Rochester Celtic School Band. That's coming up.
Well, good morning, everyone. We are with something called the Celtic Music Society, and if you've never heard these kids, they've already come out with their first CD. They're amazing. We're going to have them coming up right after the break, so stay with us.
.5:35. I know it's not St. Patrick's Day. We know that. We have a calendar just like you, but still we're getting into the spirit a little bit early with some teens from East Rochester and their school band called the Celtic Music Society.
I guess we're all a little bit Irish, so, you know, why not have Irish music today, right?
Well, you don't just reserve love songs for Valentine's Day. Celtic music any day.
That's right. You know, thank you, Rob. You know, my birthday's on St. Patrick's Day, and I'm not even Irish, and I just think, you know, Celtic music is very beautiful any time of the year. But what's more important is that these students at East Rochester High School, which is where we are this morning, they are so talented. I can't even imagine. I can't wait to have you guys hear them. Mark Gowman is their instructor. Mark, how did Celtic Music Society get started?
Well, I got into Irish music about 5 years ago, and it really made me fall in love with that music and with all the music, and I want to share it with my students. So this is the second school where I've had a group like this, and we started 2.5 years ago.
And you've played over 70 gigs so far, and I'm going to just let you guys take it away with what's the first number you're going to play for us?
The Otter Holt Reel.
The Otter Holt Reel. Take it away, you guys.
Be dancing soon?
Doing the Irish jig, perhaps?
Yeah.
It's great music, isn't it? It's so
Beautiful.
passionate. What's that drum called, too, that you play kind of with the...
I'm not sure.
I can't think of it. It's on the tip of my tongue. We'll have to ask
We'll
Elizabeth later.
We'll ask her next time.
It's got a cool little sound.
You know, it's warming music, too.
Yeah,
Isn't it?
We need something to warm us up. Well, I'll be doing the Irish jig to stay warm today.
Yeah, there'll be a few people doing their version of the Irish jig at the
Bus
bus
stop.
stop.